Hey guys, welcome to the Pixel Gallery widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll talk about the evolved gallery widget. Let's drag and drop the widget inside our page. The default look of the widget hits you with an image gallery that's curved out of the Tetris game. The arrangement holds different shapes of images and stacks them into an unique shape. You can see the forward and backward arrows on the top and bottom. The title is in the middle top position with the subtitle and text blended into the images. With each click on the arrows, the next item comes with a different object placement. That's how the evolved widget is designed. Now from the controls panel, you can customize the height of the canvas. Then you can adjust the item gap, making the canvas smaller or bigger with the changes. There are 3 switches to show or hide the title, subtitle and text. Also a link trigger option at the end of the section. Next is the items section where the gallery items are listed. Let's click on an item box to see inside. Each item holds multiple images and that shapes the scattered placement of the gallery interface. Let's choose the images first. After that, you can change the title text, then the subtitle text, and finally the description text. Like that, you should be able to finish customizing the rest of the items easily. Now let's move to the Style tab to start customizing the appearance of the gallery. First is the Reveal Animation Color. Let's set up a color and then check it by clicking the navigation arrows. Next, go into the title section and change the color of the title text. Then zero the padding and margin values. After that, you can change the font style through the typography section. Start with the font family and work it down to the rest of the options. There's also a text stroke option that you can configure to enhance the title to highlight it more on the screen. After that, you can go into the subtitle section. First, let's change the text color, then customize the font style with typography. Next, go into the text section and do the same with the text color and typography customization. When done, click on the navigation section and start with the arrows background option. Then change the icon color to white. Then for the hover subsection, keep the text color white but add a deeper color for the background. Now minimize the controls panel and check out the final interface. Like this, you can easily create such an amazing image galleries with the evolved gallery widget. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.